Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Market Martians. If you're new to this channel, my name is Austin. This is where we talk about stocks, the stock market, stocks to buy, stocks to sell, technical analysis, all that good stuff. So if you're new here, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Hopefully, you enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Oh, also, if you want me to analyze the stock, just comment. I'm pretty fast at getting back to them. So today we're going to take a look at Wish. So Wish actually announced their earnings today, and they are, as you can see from this article, they have already half of the IPO price, and earnings are pushing the price lower. So let's take a look at the stock and where we see this going. I don't have my stuff turned on. Okay. So let's see what we're trading at today. Today we are at $8.98, pretty low. If you have been following Wish, then you know this stock has been beaten down for a while. I would say this is oversold at this point, but who knows? You can say oversold for a long time. So we hit a low of $8.17 not too long ago, a couple days ago. So hopefully $8 is a support. However, it's hard to not buy at this price if you're bullish on Wish. It's really sucks for people that bought up here at $32. You got absolutely screwed. $17.52 was a dip down there. Let's go ahead and look at the year as a whole. I mean, this thing's getting beaten to the ground, guys. I would be swing trading this right now. I would load up some here, and then maybe you get unlucky. It comes back down to $8 and you load up the other half. But overall, I see we can swing this to $10 to $12 pretty easily. This has to be oversold. I mean, earnings were missed. We're going to go ahead and go back and read into that article. Short-term price target is going to be $12 on the swing trade. Long-term, I could see this being $20 end of year. I do still like this company. I just think it needs better direction. Let's go ahead and go back to the article and read into this and see what exactly happened. So, as I said again, Wish stock was already half of the IPO price, and earnings are pushing the price lower. Online retailer shares dropped more than 12% after hours trading following quarterly report. That shows greater loss than expected. The parent company of Wish has seen its stock deeply discounted since this initial public offering. The price was slashed yet again in after hours trading Wednesday. So this is from last week, but still very relevant. So in a letter to shareholders, Wish, which was advertised heavily in the past on platforms such as Facebook, noted that increased sales and marketing costs driven higher by digital advertising costs. Executives also noted that Wish has moved into advertising on television and streaming platforms as well as experimenting with influencer marketing. Side note, if you're ever on TikTok, I see a lot of ads for Wish on TikTok as well. So, I mean, yeah, they're losing money right now from spending money on ads, but again, they're experimenting to find out which advertisements are going to work best for them. So, nothing wrong with that. That's just them figuring out their direction. You have to be long term on this, obviously, but short term, like I said, we can easily get probably a decent swing trade here. Wish's forecast failed to live up to analysts' expectations. However, executives guided for second quarter sales of 715 million to 730 million, while analysts on average were projecting 759 million, according to FactSet. Wow, okay. The company also announced that former Square Incorporation, Square is a great company if you don't know about them, executive Jackie Reses will take over as executive chair. So that will be very good for us. Very smart. Like I said, if you're going to be in Wish short term or long term, I see you being able to make some solid money here. We want to swing up to about $12 at the high. I would definitely trade this, though, to $10 to be safe if you're going to swing trade. Man, this is just getting beat to the ground. I think this is oversold. I think buyers are going to attack this. The bulls will attack this and go after this one. Lastly, let's just go to the wish.com website. Always good to look at the actual product before we buy into this. So it's basically an Alibaba kind of thing. I mean, let's just go ahead and type in shoes and see what comes up. Oh my gosh, it's going to make me log in. Okay, well, I'm not doing that. Oh, come on. Okay, so basically I'll just show you this. This is just jewelry, but they have pretty much everything at a very discounted rate. Yeah, maybe the products aren't that great, but I mean, they're still going to work for the most part. They're not going to put products that don't work on here. So it's basically just the products also take a while to get here. Like I said, if you ever use Alibaba or AliExpress, this is kind of the same concept, except I guess it's a little faster to get here. But I mean, look at this. They have a freaking Trump ring. They have everything. They have everything you could ever imagine on here. Very cheap. I mean, laser pointer $3. I mean, this stuff is extremely cheap. So overall, I think that this company will be. It's hard to say because I can see why they're not doing as well, and it's like they're not gonna compete with Amazon, but their target market is gonna be cheap products, very cheap products. But let's go on over to the chart one last time. Future things to watch for is going to be this mark down here, $8. We want to make sure we hold the line $8. We break down the 750, who knows where this is going, but that's got to be a buy at that point. I'd be loading some here, maybe average down first if you're going to swing trade this. I'm not touching this for a day trade. There's no way. But like I said, I'm projecting a swing from we're going to probably swing from $9 over to 10 to $12. We might touch, that $8 point one more time before the bulls take over, but I'm pretty bullish on this from this point on. Maybe you wait till we hit like 950 to buy just for confirmation. But overall, I think from this point on, Wish should start moving back up to the upside. This has been beaten down a lot. If you like this video, guys, please leave a like and subscribe, and you can comment below any stock you'd like me to analyze. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day, everybody.